Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So on Monday at a Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's court case, people noticed something and was so shocked to witness it all. You guys all caught in camera. Dr. Nandipha in court blew kisses to her mother and sister while behind the dock. Well, that's not what they noticed at all. They noticed Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's beautiful young sister who looks exactly like the criminal doctor, you guys. People on social media were amazed and praised her for her beauty and resemblance to the dangerous Dr. Nandipha Magudumana. Videos and pictures of Dr. Nandipha's young sister dressed up in all black, waiting for her father outside the court after he was released on bail on a Monday, is trending on all social media platforms, you guys. And have you guys seen the spitting resemblance between her and her big sis, or Dr. Nandipha Magudumana? What do you guys think? Please comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe, like, share. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.